Ukraine hits major Russian oil terminal in drone strike. Ukraine has struck Russia's largest oil terminal on the Baltic Sea during one of its biggest overnight drone attacks in months. The aerial assault yesterday targeted the Primorsk oil port in the Leningrad region, the final station of the Baltic pipeline system and a crucial hub for Russia's maritime exports. Media reports quoting Ukraine's security services said more than half of the 221 drones sent to Russian territory were intercepted over the Bryansk and Smolensk regions, where Lukoil facilities were also reportedly targeted, the Russian Defense Ministry said. The Ukrainian security services said drone strikes also hit several pumping stations feeding the Ust-Luga terminal near the border with Estonia. Kyiv has intensified its drone attacks on Russian energy infrastructure as it pushes for talks to end the war in Ukraine, trying to cut Russia off from its main source of revenue, crude oil sales, by limiting export capabilities. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. Thank you everyone. Bye.